world shift today because the world cannot go on as it has up till now. It needs to shift. A shift means a change. It's a fundamental change. It's a change in politics, in economics, in culture, and in our relation to nature. We know that the world as it is today, in terms of its finances, its banking sector, in terms of the distribution of wealth, in terms of the poverty, and in terms of what we are doing to nature, it simply cannot go on. It's not sustainable. So a shift is coming. Now the longer we wait for that shift, the more difficult it gets. The more nature becomes more arid in some parts, the more the sea level rises, the more the water supply diminishes, the more people go hungry, and the greater the difference between the rich and the poor. So we need to act as soon as possible. And this is why we need a world shift now. We have the opportunity, we have the technology, we have the know-how. Why not act? We cannot be too comfortable. We have to realize the time to shift is now. Japan is in the forefront of innovation. Japan had a fabulous history, even in the 20th century, moving from a traditional civilization through wars to a very modern, to the forefront of the modern world. So Japan is known for innovation, for leadership. Now, leadership is not only in technology, although that's very important, not only in economics. Leadership is also means in culture, in thinking, in the way we act in the world. Japan is an island, in fact several islands, and living on an island you know that there is so much one can do with limited resources, limited territory. Now the whole world is an island. We are in a kind of a space island, or spaceship if you like. We have to recognize that we have to make do with what we have got, and make do the best way we can. For that you need innovation. Leadership means not only being the best in technology, although that's important, or in economics. Leadership means also to show how to live on this island that we call the Earth. And for that, many people in the world, myself included, look to Japan for that kind of leadership, for understanding to do the best with what we have got, so that everybody can live, everybody can survive, and everybody can enjoy well-being together. That is the big challenge before us. We need coherence, cohesion, we need to work together. Japan has always known how to do that in its history. So let's do it now on the level of the whole globe. Today is a time when a small group of people can change the world. Why? Because the world needs to be changed, and the world is sensitive to change. It's open to change. Much more open than it was 10 years, 15 or 20 years ago. Now there's a recognition all over the world that we need to change, and the ideas for how to change, what kind of world we should create, that kind of recognition has to come from people who are going to live in the new world. That means young people. Now when you have the fortunate situation of being young and being Japanese, this is a combination you must make good use of. It's a unique chance. People in the forefront of innovation, young people, you are the hope that we need. You are the hope for the world that will find the way to move forward, so that people of your generation will grow up into a more sustainable world, into a peaceful world, a world where all people can survive together. This is your task, your opportunity. You cannot miss it. And I'm confident that you will seize it. You will not miss this chance. Those of you who came to this event came, I think, not because you were only curious, because there were so many things you could go to, so many things happening into this world. You came because you felt that there is something being done here, something you can join, a movement that is ongoing and that will develop. So if you came here open to new ideas, open to joining a world shift movement, then I can congratulate you. Then I can tell you, you are right. You are on the right way. Go on. If you have come here now, think not only of the past, think of the present and think of the future. Think of what you can do to bring your ideas, ideas for a peaceful and sustainable world, together so that we can bring it to the attention of people. People here in Japan, but people also all over the world. Today, through the internet, we can bring communication, messages, instantly all over the world. Use this chance, come together, create a message, and so that your voice can be heard. Your voice can count. This is the world that we have today. It's a world on the brink of a major change. You here in Japan, who have come together here, are actors, are agents of change. Use it to the best of your ability. I'm confident that you will. I wish I could be with you, but I'm with you only in spirit and through the new technology of this video recording. Next time I hope we can be together. In the meanwhile, I wish you much courage and the good luck that you need, that we all need, so that we can create a world in which we, especially you, the young people of today, can live and can leave to your children.